Hi guys, time for an unboxing. It's a shoe from On. Let's see together what we find inside. Here it is, the On Cloudboom Max. It is On's super trainer race day shoe, but designed for those runners who are not looking for fast paces, that is under 3-hour marathon. So here we're looking at 3-hour 45 or 4 hours plus marathon. It's a shoe that has a 40mm to 32mm step height, so it is race legal, a nice 8mm drop. It has that Cloud Tech On's signature trademark foam with Helion HF hyper foam, which is PIBA based, and then below it there is a more stable hardish TPEE foam, and sandwiched in between you find that speedboard, which is a glass fiber plate to add stability and propulsion when you want to go forward. It feels on the hard side of things, but I will know better when I will run in it. The outsole is quite thick for durability and peace of mind on any terrain. It comes in at a weight of slightly under 300 grams to 198 grams. Obviously, it's on the high side of things when you think about race day shoes, but it is made for that runner who wants peace of mind, stability, comfort for that marathon or training for the marathon. In the meantime, run more or less, and I see you soon. Ciao.